Overview and the cybersecurity domains. There are many data groups that make up the different domains of the cyber world. When groups are able to collect and utilize massive amounts of data, they begin to amass power and influence. This data can be in the form of numbers, pictures, video, audio, or any type of data that can be digitized. These groups could become so powerful that they operate as though they are separate powers, creating separate cybersecurity domains. Companies such as Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn could be considered to be data domains in our cyber world. Extending the analogy further, the people who work at these digital companies could be considered cybersecurity experts. The word domain has many meanings. Wherever there is control, authority, or protection, you might consider that area to be a domain. Think of how a wild animal will protect its own declared domain. In this course, consider a domain to be an area to be protected. It may be limited biological or physical boundary. This will depend on the size of the system involved. In many respects, cybersecurity experts have to protect their domains according to the laws of their own country.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly via our social platforms. Thanks for watching.